Hi everyone, it's another week tutorial and welcome. So in this tutorial today, I'll be showing you the process on how we make hardcover jotters. As some of you don't have an idea or a clue on how hardcover jotters that you see that has been shared in parties, in programs, in ceremonies are being made. So in this video I'll be showing you. So the first step is that we have to print it. This is a direct print, which we call direct image print out. So as you can see, we have cut the board that will be inside the jotter. We have cut it to the size, and this size is A5 size. We call it A5 size. So we are applying gum at the back before we can be using to gum the printer that we printed. Like you can see the process I'm doing it. I'm trying to gauge it to ensure that it aligns with the image and it's at the center. If you don't gauge it very well, it will bend, it will derail to the other side. So you have to ensure that it is firm at the middle. Then the next step is for you to cut the edges. Look at the way I'm cutting it round. You have to cut the edges small. The reason why we cut it is for the jotter to have a well covered shape. You see, the reason why we cut it is for us to have a well covered shape, so that when we are folding it, it will align perfectly. It will not be shooting out at the edge. So the next step is for us to gum it and fold it inside. We have to apply gum at the foredge. Look at the way I'm applying it and look at the way I'm folding it. You see, this is a closer look at it. Then you have to put the gum at the foredge. Then you have to fold the jotter inside so that it cover the edge. You see the reason why we cut the edge of the jotter, so as to allow it fold perfectly. Because if you don't cut it well, it will be showing at the edge. That excess will be showing at the edge. It will make the jotter look rough and it will not be presentable. And for those of you who are just seeing our video for the first time, this is Prime Concept Showroom. We come here to showcase printing every week, to show you one or two things. For those of you that want to make it as a career and those of you who want to do it yourself at home, you always come here. Please like, subscribe and share our video to other people so that they can learn. Now this is the final part of the cover production. We are covering the other part so that it will not be showing the board that we use inside. You can see the way we are applying gum at this paper. This one is just a normal bond paper that we are using to cover it. You just cut it to the size of the board and apply your gum, then start rubbing it. It's as simple as ABC. And I believe this video, you must have learned one or two from this video. Please click on the subscribe button, click on the like button, click on the share button, drop your comment, and we'll do well to reply you as quickly as possible. Then this is the process by which we printed the inside. You know, we have inside cover. This is the process. Now this is the stage for the punching of the inside jotter. Yes, you can see we just punched it, and this is the time for collation. We are counting it to know the different numbers of copies that will be inside per jotter. For this particular jotter, we are using 60 pieces of inside jotter. We are putting 60 pieces inside a jotter. So we are counting them to ensure that all of them are complete, and the total number in total that the customer wants is also complete. It is this stage you determine if the jotter will be complete or not. So this is the place whereby we are facing our wire. We are facing the wire before we do the final pressing. You can see we are putting the front first, then we'll now turn the back and put it. You see the way we are doing it. Just watch and learn. Now we are covering the wire hole. We are binding it together. This is the machine used for binding. As you can see the way we are binding it, we'll put it in under, then we'll press it down. This is the machine that is being used to bind jotter, for some of you that have not seen it. So friends, I believe you must have learned one or two from this video. Please click on the subscribe button if you are just seeing our video for the first time. Click on the like button, drop your comment, share to other people so that they can also learn. Yes, this is the final output, the final outlook of our jotter. It is ready for pickup. So look the way it's looking, so beautiful, so shiny, so adorable. You too can also do this jotter. It's just practicing. You can watch the video, watch it over and over again and practice. You can also send it to your friends, let them also learn. With this, you can be able to make money for yourself, make money for your family. So in conclusion, we are rounding up our jotter production. This is the wrapping sheet we use in wrapping it to make the jotter look so adorable and so attractive. Yes, this wrapping nylon enable your jotter to look presentable. So those jotter that you are being given in parties, in ceremonies, in events, this is the process on which it is being made. And I believe you have learned one or two. So see, I get to see you in our next video. Always been amazing. I love you and I always love you. Ciao.